Mitchell's making us dinner. Woo! And we're smoking salmon.
It's smoky.
Ugh. Let me see.
You want to see it?
Yeah. Ooh. Let me see it. It's good. What season is on it?
Sea salt.
Sea salt.
Fresh thyme from the farmer's market over here. And black pepper. That's it.
So we're smoking it with apple wood and just charcoal.
See the tent, there's a rim around the tent, so you just make the edge and you bend down the edge, you fold the edge down on top of the foil and you put that on top. That's an easy way to hot smoke because the smoke will come up. I have large chunks of apple wood underneath. The smoke will come up, get caught on that edge, and be underneath that tent, and we'll smoke and cook the salmon at the same time. It's a really cheap, easy way to do it.
So we're just gonna cook it on one side. We're not flipping it or anything.
You don't flip it. No.
When you cover it, it just cooks it.
So it's a hot smoke and a hot charcoal.
Just one big piece.
One big piece.
So like 20 minutes.
Yeah, about this because it's low heat actually on this grill. There's only a small amount of coals. You don't want to do it too hot because then you overcook the salmon.
And then in the cabin, Stephanie's making a salad and rice. So are we making other veggies or should we grill some veggies maybe?
We can do some zucchini.
Okay. I'll go get some zucchini then.
Tell her to bring out the zucchini and I'll fry it.
Can I bring the camera in? Take my shoes off. In the cabin, Steffi's making salad. And we're making brown rice. Brown rice. Oh, where's the salad? Guess it's already done. Bosco pears. Steffi's doing dishes. Oh, and we got watermelon. Gotta have watermelon. He's gonna make zucchini, so he said to bring out the zucchini. And we made grilled corn the other night, so we'll probably make some more. We got some more. I love grilled corn on the cob. Hi, Mimi. What you doing? What you doing? Yes. Who is that? Who is that? And Sammy. Step up. And Rocky. Where's Rocky? Here's Rocky. Everyone's happy.